Hey, my name is Jeremiah. Today you're about to learn one of the easiest and quickest way to make money online that I have found, and it works excellently well. The best part of this method is that you don't need to create any products. You do not need to have an email list of buyers. You do not even need any experience whatsoever making money online or doing internet businesses. I'm about to give you a very time-sensitive opportunity with a completely done-for-you business in a box that you can start making money from as soon as today. Money like this. I started this way back 3 years ago. Money like this. And ever since, the method is evergreen. You can continue to make money weekly, monthly basis using this same method online. This business in a box is one of the hottest market online today, and if it's hot, you already know it's an evergreen market. This means you can start making money online today and continue to make money for years into the future. It is in-demand product. You are providing people with a product that they want and need, so you are guaranteed of success, and you can get started today. Before I review the exact details of this opportunity, may I first ask you this question? Okay, great. Are you making the kind of money you want online? Are you making the kind of money you want to make in your day job? It is a fact that most people that make money in their businesses online, they have a product they sell. They have a product of their own. Many internet entrepreneurs fail to see results online before they even get started because it's a difficult thing to create products. Many gurus make product creation looks very easy, but actually it is time consuming and difficult to create a winning product in the market that people will be willing to shove out cash from their pockets and buy. For you to see results in the online business, you don't just need a well-researched product in a hot market. You need some other stuff too. You need a well-written sales letter. You need a professional written sales copy that can convert. You need an eye-catching graphics. You need a mobile responsive website that can turn your visitors into buyers. To name just a few. I don't know about you, but putting all this together, a modern website, a well-written sales copy, a quality product that you can offer to your market, it will take days to put all this together. Sometimes it takes months. What if you can shortcut the process? And I'm going to give you a fully done-for-you product in the box that has a high demand in the market that can put money in your pocket starting today. You never need to worry about product research or creation. You never need to worry about web design. You never need to worry about sales copy. You don't need to even waste time waiting to make money. Introducing 7-step done-for-you business in a box with complete sales funnel. A step-by-step system to earning 500k plus every month. Here is what you will get when you join this program. You will get access to the membership. And in this membership area, you will have access to the 7 done-for-you business in the box with complete sales funnel. The system itself, it will be given to you completely. And other resources you can download. And when you join, what are the things you will see in your members area? Like I said, a step-by-step high-quality training guide on how to implement and profit from the 7-step done-for-you business in the box with complete sales funnel. I'm going to give you a 1-year SSD web hosting and Echo web hosting plus SSL, super fast. I'm going to give you an affiliate right to resell this same product at about 50% per sales. I'm going to give you a professional website builder license. I'm going to give you that license. That license costs about $200. I'm going to give you a modern affiliate marketing course. How you can leverage relationship, and you can make money by referring people to buy products. I'm going to give you access to our private membership group, the Facebook group, and you will also receive regular updates and other products and offers that you can sell. 2, I'm going to give you a ready-made website with sales funnel that you can put your name in. I've said that before. This website is professionally developed. It is professionally built. If you are to hire a sales a professional copywriter to do this for you, they'll be charging between 150 to about 250,000. You can ask around. This is already done for you. All you just have to do is implement on your free web hosting with your domain name and start sending traffic to you, and you're making a 50% commission straight. I'm going to also give you about 10 unique articles that you can put on the blog section of your website. These are 100% unique. You can use them the way you like. They are yours. I'm also going to give you about 5 high converting promotional emails you can add to your autoresponders. You can sell to your list daily within 5 days so that they can buy your product. And all this, you are getting full right. You can use it the way you want. It is your product. Here are some ideas you can use to profit with 7-step done for you business in a box. You can use it directly, like I said before. Just use it directly and install it on your own website. You can start a blog and profit from the first week. You can have a blog, maybe an existing blog that you have, and you can add it on a section where you can offer your audience a way to make passive income online. And for every sales you make, they're getting about 50% commission. You can add banner images and increase income from your blog and website, like I've said earlier. You can share this on your Instagram page, your Facebook page, and anybody that goes through your affiliate link, you're taking a wholesome 50% commission. You can build a list with these same products that you are getting today. You can build a list for free, and it's an evergreen on-demand market. You can profit through broadcasts to your WhatsApp contact. You can help people to know how to gain freedom life online and put money in your own pocket. You can start your own membership service and charge a monthly fee. You are only limited by your own imagination. You see, this product is ready-made, done for you. You are only limited by the amount of money you can make with it. You are only limited by your imagination. And that is why you should get this today. Unlike many business in the box out there, this product is well researched, it's top-notch package, and in an evergreen niche that will surely put money in your pocket. This is completely done for you business in the box. All you need to do is just send traffic and you make money. You keep 100% of every buyer that lands on your list. How awesome is that? And you also profit. And if you know anything about internet business, you know the money is in the list. At this point, you are wondering how much will this cost? If you are going to hire an expert to do this for you, to show you how this is done, you'll be spending hundreds of thousands of naira. In fact, many people have invested, like I myself, have invested in programs and coaches like that. And many people never make one single couple. But you won't have to invest all that big amount of money today. All you have to invest today is just 25,000. Look at all the things I'm going to give you. It's roughly about 200,000 thereabout. And this is excluding the bonuses I'm going to show you shortly. So there is a link below this page. Click on that link and gain access. It's for a limited time for this price. It's going to go up. I cannot tell you the exact amount it's going to go for because this is a completely done for you business in the box. You don't have to worry. You can start earning right from your first week that you join. There are a lot of people that claim to offer complete business in the box solution that will help you make money from the first week, but majority of these things fails. So I understand if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you how good this business in the box is, but you need to come inside to really know about this yourself. That is why with 7 days done for you business in the box complete sales funnel, I'm going to give you 30 days money back guaranteed. No questions asked. You are getting your money back 100%. So if you are not satisfied with what you receive after 30 days, just send me an email and I'll send you your money back. Plus, I'm going to add 3 exclusive bonuses if you know about this product I'm adding to this list. The first one is I'm going to give you 10 ready-made, battle-tested digital products you can start selling. You can put your name on it. You can sell as your own. You need to come in to really know how hot these products are. I'm also going to show you how you can start importing products from China and sell in Nigeria and make a whole whooping 30% profit. You know, a step-by-step guide. I'm also going to give you a guide like that. And I'm going to also show you how you can do effective marketing for business growth. I'm going to give you. So these 3 exclusive bonuses are going with this package if you join us today. So take advantage of this offer. Click the button below and join us. So I'll see you on the inside. Sign out.